JIRIBAM District DC KRISHNA Kumarna Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyaan campaign के poster Amasung t-shirt Hounabi Matung in the launch Toukhre JIRIBAM District Administration Amasung District asigi District Social Welfare Office na sindona JIRIBAM da pangthokiba thoram amada poster Amasung t-shirt adu launch Toukhibani District asigi tungan officer kya su saruk yaduna pangthokiba thoram adu DC KRISHNA Kumar na hai laibak asigi tungan mafam da pangthokliba campaign asiga mari leinana ngasi poster Amasung t-shirt asi launch Taubani campaign asigi saruk amu oina lamsang lamjel amasu pangthok na basem sari masida miyam na saruk yabiu mayai ka bachinjak laitaba laibak ama ohenna na hotna bada miyam na mateng pangbiu district asigi tungan mafam kya da monitoring cell hangdoktuna akan ba section thorang sun lokhatli haina makna makata na phongdokhi.
Participation can be in a huge number, and it would be a kind of a great effort if public can come voluntarily and participate. And also we are encouraging to all the line departments and their staffs. We are also taking help of Superintendent of Police and also all the forces commanders, those who are present in the district, so that they can also be the part of this Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyaan. In fact, today itself we had a meeting of an NCOD committee, which is also gives emphasis for drug-free India. To ensure this drug-free India, we have to start from the district level also. So at district level, several activities are being taken up, and also forces are on the task. They are also having a vigil and monitoring and different places. If someone is carrying any kind of drugs, so action is being taken up as per the rule of law. And also we would appeal to all the general public to please cooperate and coordinate with the forces so that we can actually in the meaning ensure drug-free JIRIBAM district.